you do when you feel hungry? Do you head to your refrigerator, kitchen pantry, or order from the restaurant whose cuisine you are craving at that moment? For the thousands of families that our programs at West Houston Assistance Ministries is helping weekly, the situation is very different. Their refrigerator, if they have one, is empty, or almost so. Their cupboards are the same. Eating from a restaurant when the budget is tight and past due rent notices are piling up, that is a luxury they can't afford. Many are homeless, and besides figuring out if they can eat each day, they have to figure out where they will sleep later on. Sadly, these worries are not the only ones they have. The coronavirus and the winter freeze only made things worse. Most have been laid off or have their work hours cut, and their income is reduced and not enough to pay the bills. Many have had unexpected expenses, like ruptured pipes or even car repairs, that have thrown their limited budgets off balance. Many have serious life-altering illnesses or disabilities and no insurance to help pay for treatment. The list goes on, and it just breaks our hearts. These clients, they are going through so much, and they just need some help. Someone to understand, some place to help and say, "It's okay, we've got you." And though our hearts break when we learn of their struggles, they are filled with joy when we can tell them not to worry, that we will pay for the rent or for that light bill that they don't have enough money to pay for, that they don't have to worry anymore about being evicted with their children and put on the street. We love it when we can give them up to 90 pounds of meat, produce, milk and bread to fill their refrigerators. They just drive up and we put it all in their trunks, or we give them bags to take with them if they're homeless or don't have a car. So though it takes us all week to pick up food, break down pallets, separate, pack bags and bags of food to be ready for each food distribution, and give it out to 150 to 200 families each time in the sun, the cold or rain, although we are taking after our calls from desperate families, or filling out funding applications on the weekend so we can get the funds to help these families, we are there. WHAM is there, and we'll be here for them, and we'll continue asking for funds so that we can help keep a roof over their heads, and so we can keep feeding them, and we can continue offering them classes and helping them find the jobs they need and deserve. This is who we are. This is what WHAM does.